Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany here. Today I'm bringing you guys one more episode for the food series, and that will be the episode 7. So if you want to check this recipe, make sure you watch the entire video. Stay tuned and let's get into this. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you did enjoy the video and the recipe itself. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share with your friends and family members. Turn your notifications on so you can be notified whenever I post. And before I forget, thank you so much for 100 subscribers guys. It's 100 and it's been a month and something literally, but we're 100 already and more to come, more to go. Please guys, please. And I will continue doing my best, bringing you guys good content about hair, beauty, lifestyle, and I will try to start challenges, bringing guys to my channel and many things more guys. And yes guys, it's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, DM me for any ideas, content and questions, suggestions, many things guys. And probably next week I'll be doing a post and everything, so stay tuned for that. Follow me and yeah, be ready for it. Yes guys, be safe, peace out.